Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Clarkson Toronto website. It is basically an online shopping platform where you can see like the sales never ends. It's 50% off on everything, which is sort of a red flag. As you can see, like it provides a pretty generous discounts, and the website is loaded with a lot of fancy and a lot of quality pictures and reviews of the people. And as you can see, like this is the timer of the summer sale, and which is actually all the time active whenever I get back to this website, which is also a major red flag. And if you look at the another downside of this platform, you will get to know that this website domain name hasn't any valid SSL certificate, which puts your money on risk. Now let's dive deeper and look at the reviews of this company. So you can see like this company has a review of 1.1 or based on 229 reviews, which is really bad score. And if I try to look for the trust score of this clarksontoronto.com website on Scam Advisor website, you will see like it has just a 1 out of 100 trust score, which is a major big red flag. So in my opinion, I would say, like in conclusion, this website is not a legit one, so you should avoid buying any clothes or any other product from this website to save your money. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.